Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to use your AliExpress coins. Alright, so let's begin. Before we learn how to use our coins in AliExpress, we first want to see where we could actually see it. So first thing, we want to open up our AliExpress mobile application here and make sure that you're currently logged in. Now, once you've logged in, you want to access your account. It's located at the bottom right of your screen. And from here, you should be able to see different sections about your account. So you have the My Order section, payments and discounts, entertainment here. You should be able to see the coins section there. So just go ahead and click on the collect. So in this case, what we need to do is just basically give you a few things here. So the first thing you should know here is, how do you actually earn your coins? Well, you could actually earn coins on a daily basis. So as long as you check AliExpress on a daily basis, you'll be able to earn coins. Here, as you can see, I am in my day 1 and I just earned 20 coins. So if you want to learn more on how to earn coins here, just click on earn more coins and you'll be able to see different ways to earn coins. But once you've done that, the next thing you want to do here is finally know how to use our coins. So in this section, the coins page here, you could see different items that you could buy. So these items actually use your coins, wherein you'll be able to avail the discount for that specific item. So in this case, just to give you an example, we want to go ahead and open up any of the following items here. So let's go ahead and open up this item here, click on it, and from here you should be able to see the price and different information about this one. So for now, let's just click on Buy Now. And from here, we want to scroll down a bit and just click on Continue. And from here, as you can see, this is the checkout page. You'll see the option or the section here that says Summary, and under the total item, you should be able to see the Save section. So once you click on it, you'll be able to see the total that you save from this specific item if you're going to buy it. Now, in this case, since I have 39 coins here, I'll be able to save $0.38 or 38 cents. So usually, this is how you use coins. So just to give you a backtrack to it, you need to access the coins page first, so that you'll be able to see all of the items that are eligible to use coins for you to save on those specific prices. Now here in the summary page again, you'll be able to view all the discounts or the money that you'll be saving based on the amount of coins that you have. But yeah, so generally speaking, coins is a way for you to basically save up on the prices of the items that you want to buy. It's pretty simple, you just need to make sure that you access the page itself and choose an item there. From there, your coins will be automatically used, and that's about it. So that's basically how you can use your AliExpress coins. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.